What's up, buddy? Why you fussing? Man, this crow is sent by the Most High. He wait on me every morning, come by and check on me. Know what time I pull up, know the truck and everything. I put you some sunflower seeds down there, bruh. You gonna be picking this morning? He wants some peanuts. Hold on. Yeah, okay. You want some peanuts. He being picky. Calm down now, see? Just picky. He finna get the peanut. Tell the man, this bird is sent by the Most High, man. Look at him. He got it. Looking for the rest of them. Hold on, bud. I'll get you some more. I tell you, man. He's just being picky. He say, forget the sunflower seeds. Get all of them. I call him Woodrow. Boy, you eating good. Look how big you done got. It's another one of my children.